stating that the drugs are there and the police people are taking the bribes. And yesterday there was a fight between the police. So how you see that? As
We have to understand that the Home Minister is the Chief Minister, and there are many ministers who want to have the will to be acting Chief Ministers. So this embroilment of somebody being ambitious or over ambitious to be an acting Chief Minister, the present Chief Minister being a weak Chief Minister keeping quiet, and the fights between a minister and a deputy Chief Minister, fights between police. म्हाका दिसता भायर आमकां उलोवपाचें ऑपरेशन गरजूच ना. Everybody is watching this. It is become a theatre. It is become a place where people today are feeling की आमी खंय आसात काय म्हणून. Government has to give security to the citizens. Government is not able to showcase security to its own government people, whether they are ministers or they are people in the cabinet. So what are we talking about? So allegations are going within the government, within colleagues of the same government. I think the Chief Minister, either, I have been on record earlier, he is not able to have a ability to control his team. At that time he has to judiciously resign, or he has to ensure that his government runs well. दोन्ही चलना. So that is म्हाका दिसता the Chief Minister is responsible to ensure his government runs well, which is not happening.
so what about the electricity, the online billings, and people doesn't know how to do that. So the department should waive off of 3 months because there was.
In terms of economic issues, there are a lot of concerns. It is not only electricity or water or whatever. There are concerns which we need to discuss. As I have said earlier also, economicaचेर सारको proper viewpoint म्हजो दिवपाचो प्रयत्न हे 2-3 दिसां भितर आसतलो. Let me give you a wholesome feel of what I feel as far as Goa is concerned in terms of reviving where we are and looking at how Goa needs to focus on, keeping in mind the COVID-19, which I expect the next 2 years are very important for the country as a whole. We are, as Goa as green zone, we are very happy about it, but we cannot be overconfident and take some steps which we should feel sorry for. Davangere has been an example where green zone has turned to red zone with 22 plus COVID cases coming in. 300 kilometer poise Davangere is not a much of a thing where Goa is very close. So precautiously we need to ensure that we are able to handle this right. ना जाल्यार फुडें त्रास जावंक जायना.
So what about the increase in the petrol price in recent time? How you see that as an economy?
Excise economy म्हाका दिसता जे चल्लां वाडयत रावल्या सरकारान पयलीं लोकांची कळ केल्यार समजल्यार कळटलें न्ही. We are only increasing. When the crude prices were dropping, we were still increasing, and now also we are increasing. So I think somewhere something is going wrong.